Hello, children. Very good afternoon. In today's class, we are going to write a composition writing titled Notice Writing. Before writing, let us see what is a notice. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards either in schools or educational institutions or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspaper. And there are some important points that we have to remember before we start writing this notice writing. A notice must be catchy and appealing. It should attract the reader's attention at once. We can also increase the visual appeal of our notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases, etc. Standard abbreviations are also allowed here. Only the most important points should be written. AOD, that is, any other detail given in the question must be included. One is free to add any relevant information not included in the question. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. A well written notice must inform the readers about the 5 W's. What are the 5 W's? Yes, the first one is what is going to happen, that is the event. Where it will take place, that is venue, the place. When it will take place, that is the date and time. Whom does it apply to, that is the eligibility criteria. And the last one is whom to contact or apply to, that is a contact person. Let us see the format of this notice writing. So at the top center we should write the title. The title here means the issuing authority or agency. Suppose if a school is giving a notice means the school name should be at the top, and on the left hand side there we have date, and then after that again at the center there is another title called notice, which is very important, which should be highlighted either in bold letters or in dark color pens. And then we have subject. It should be catchy and bold. And then body of the notice. The first one is reason for writing the notice. So why we are writing this notice? It should be informed at the first itself. Suppose if you are writing this notice for this Children's Day celebration, that should be mentioned. And then second one is relevant event and occasion information. So the list of events can be mentioned here. And the last one is info about date, time, venue. Also can be mentioned in bold letters. So the main thing is date and time and the place. Venue is nothing but place. So it should be informed whether you are conducting it in the auditorium or in stage, whatever it is, you have to mention it clearly. So this is the content or the body of the notice. So, and at last on the left hand side you have this sign, name and designation of issue. So the notice is prepared by somebody, issuer. So it is sign, name and also designation of the person. Suppose IFL or HM is announcing something, so he is said to be the issuer. Okay, so let us see an example. So this is about inter-school fancy dress competition, and at the top you can find the name of the organization or institution or office issuing the notice. This notice is issued by St. Xavier Public School, Delhi. Okay, and then below at the center point we have this notice. So write the word notice in that place, and also next to that on the left hand side you have to write the date. So for all those things you will be having 1 mark, and for the title and for the heading or subject you will be having 1 mark. So after this title of the institution, notice, date, you have the main content, that is the heading or subject. So why they have written this notice? in order to inform the fancy dress competition, they have given a notice. An inter-school fancy dress competition is being organized on 12th February at Tagore Theatre. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for selection on 1st February 2022, maybe at 12:30 p.m. in the assembly hall. Only class 6 to 12 students are eligible. Dresses should be arranged by the participants. So in this content we have everything. We have date, time, place. They have also informed about the selection date, and they also mentioned the eligibility criteria of the classes, and then they have given a clear information about the dresses. So this is very important about this fancy dress competition. And after that, on the left hand side, you will be having the name, designation of the person who is issuing the notice. So here a cultural secretary Vandita is issuing the notice. So there should be the signature, name and the designation of the person. Okay children, I hope it's clear to you. Now all of you take your composition notebook, take a fresh page and put double line margin and write this exercise number 8 and also put today's date, that is 1st November 2021, and also put the title notice writing. Usually the left hand side of the notebook is meant for question. So here your question is, your school is going to organize an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. Okay children, the right hand side of your notebook is meant for the content. So again put the exercise number, date and also the heading. So put a box and you can start writing. So the issuing authorities are school, Seventh Day Adventist Higher Secondary School, Marapalam. So after that you have this November 1st 2021. What is about? It is about the inter-school dance competition. So the title should be at the center, and after that you can start writing the content. Our school is going to organize an inter-school competition for classes 6 to 12 on November 27th at the school auditorium. We invite all the students who are interested in dancing to register names in school office by 25th of this month. For further details, contact the undersigned R. Amuda, Secretary, Culture in charge. So please write this in your composition notebook with good handwriting. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Diwali and be safe.